we're off down to the front because it's snowing like there's no tomorrow. I mean, look at this, the kids' first day in Xabia. Come to see the sun, I said. Come to see the sun. Sean's off to rob a bank. Oh my God, this is meant to be. So this is it. Look, that's where my house is. We are walking in probably about an inch of snow already, and it's still bollocking down. It's absolutely crazy. Under the tiles on the foreshore, so there's a guaranteed chance I'm going to fall. Nothing else. Everyone else has wisely stayed awake. Look, the snow. That's just mental. Anyway, oh, it's, there you go. It's got, it's just crazy. There you go. Big. Hey Nate. Oh no, alley-oops not open. It's slippery down here, by the way. Winter here. I think I'm going to get the snowboard out and go snowboard on the beach. Oh. Now this is where I'm going to fall over. I'm going down the wood plank. Yes, yes way, Alison. Here comes some kids literally skidding along the beach. There's my kids. They're like going, "You're mad, Mum. I'm not coming out in that." A few more. You see this very often, so what the heck. It's getting worse, Janine. It's like really heavy. Look, it's like we're walking on the beach. It's not beach. Oh my God. Look at the water. It's steaming because it's so, the water's probably still at about 20 degrees. It's steam coming off the water. How amazing is that? That is crazy. Wait. Don't particularly want to get wet. So, steamy water. I just caught a snowflake on my tongue. It's mental. Look, seriously, look at my jacket. Oh, I'm that fogged up. My camera's fogging up. Look at my jacket. It's like, look at my hat. Oh my gosh. And snowboard on the beach. I think that's a good solution. Coming back to my now invisible children, and my hands are frostbitten. Oh, John. My boy's here for the first day, and my daughter. First day in Spain. Lovely holiday for them. Kids are going down the slides. Yep. Okay, it's getting a little bit worse now, but yeah, here we go. Back on the urinal. Sea's steaming even more than it was before. Kids are going out. Yeah. Everyone's given up the ghost. It's not taking the knife. Oh my gosh. Look at that. It's round 2, guys. I thought it was steam coming off the ocean. It's mad.